Solved problems. Budget. Monthly, weekly, daily. How to prepare budget. Daily budget, weekly budget and monthly budget. Problem. Monthly budget. Particulars. Amount, due date. Mortgage 895 first. Car insurance 255 fifth. Home department 65 on 11th. Windows 95 on 12th. Car payment on 229 on 18th. Water 115 on 20th. Consumers 150 on 20th. Xfinity 81 on 20th. Credit card 75 on 26th. Phone 83 on 28th. Child care 160 40 per week. Groceries 400 100 per week. Gas 400 100 per week. Total 3003 monthly expenses. They are broken into weeks. Week 1 car insurance 255, home department 65, baby sister 40, gas and groceries 200. Total for the week 1 560. Week 2 windows 95, car payment 229, half of the mortgage 450, babysitter 40, gas and groceries 200. Total for week 2 is 1014. Week 3 water 115, consumers 150, Xfinity 81, gas and groceries 200, babysitter 40. Total for week 3 is 586. Week 4 half mortgage 450, credit card 75, phone 83, gas and groceries 200, babysitter 40. Total for week 4 is 848. And income, weekly check 19 hours at 40 per hour, total 760. Of this, after tax 570, not including OT or side income. Bi-weekly checks 10.75 hours per week 38, and then it is 408.50. After tax it is 306.38. Total 2892.76 per month income. Solution. Let us put the weekly income in 4 weeks respectively as per the information available. Monthly budget. Particulars. Week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. Total. Weekly check 570 for week 1, 570 for week 2, 570 for week 3, 570 for week 4. Total 2280. Bi-weekly check in the second week 306.38. In the fourth week 306.38. Total 612.76. Total income week 1 570, week 2 876, week 3 570, week 4 876.38. Total income 2892.76. Let us put the weekly expenses on daily basis. Week 1 car insurance on 5th 255, child care on 7th 40, groceries on 7th 100, gas on 7th 100, home department 11th 65. Total 560. Surplus or deficit from the income 10. 570 is the income, 560 expenses, 10 is the surplus during the first week. Let us put the expenses on daily basis for the week 2. Mortgage on 1st 450, windows 12th 95, child care 14th 40, groceries 14th 100, gas on 14th 100, car payment on 18th 229. Total expenses 114. Total income 876.38. There is a deficit of 137.62 during week 2. Let us put the weekly expenses on daily basis for week 3. On water on 20th 115, consumers on 20th 150, Xfinity on 20th 81, child care on 21st 40, groceries on 21st 100, gas on 21st 100. Total expenses 586. There is a deficit of 16 during week 3. Total revenue 570, total expenses 586. So there is a deficit of 16 during week 3. Let us put the weekly expenses on daily basis for week 4. Mortgage first 445 and credit card 26th 75, phone 28th 83, child care 28th 40, groceries 28th 100, gas on 28th 100, total expenses 843, total income 876.38. There is a surplus of 33.38 during week 4. Let us put the total weekly expenses for the month. Total income, weekly checks 2280, through bi-weekly checks 612.76. Total income 2892.76. Total expenses for the month. Mortgage on 1st 895, car insurance on 5th 255, child care on 7th 40, groceries on 7th 100, gas on 7th 100, home department on 11th 65, windows on 12th 95, child care on 14th 40, groceries on 14th 100, gas on 14th 100, car payment on 18th 229, water on 20th 115, consumers on 20th 150, Xfinity on 20th 81, child care on 21st 40, groceries on 21st 100, gas on 21st 100, credit card on 26th 75, phone on 28th 83, child care on 28th 40, groceries on 28th 100, gas on 28th 100. Total expenditure for the month 3003. Total revenue for the month 2892.76. There is a deficit of 110.24 during the month. Let us put the weekly expenses into daily expenses during the month. On 1st 895 for mortgage, on 5th total 255 for car insurance, on 7th 240 for child care 40, groceries 100 and gas 100. Total 240 to be paid on 7th. On 11th 65 for home department, on 12th 95 for windows, on 14th 240 total, and it is for child care 40, groceries 100, gas 100. On 18th 229 for car payment, on 20th 346 in total, for water 115, consumers 150, Xfinity 81, 346 for 20th. On 21st 240, 40 for child care, 100 for groceries, 100 for gas. On 26th is 75 for credit card. On 18th 323, phone for 83, child care 40, groceries 100 and gas 100. Total 323 to be paid on 18th. Total expenditure for the month 3003. Recap. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Accounts Lobby for various solved problems and lectures on accountancy.